So if I were to go around over here and make some changes like this, let's say for example, then what I can do is, let's say for example, I want to revert back onto the previous state. In that case, you can go ahead and utilize the undo tool by pressing Ctrl Z. If I were to go around over here onto the edit, then you'll be able to go ahead and see undo right here, and the shortcut for it is Ctrl Z as well, so you can press it as many times as you want. So now I haven't made any changes right here, and let's say I want to go ahead and redo the things right here. In that case, you can go around onto edit and then choose the redo push and pull option right here. Just go for redo, and based on what you actually have done, it'll show up here in menu like this. In my case, I did push and pull, so it showed up right here. So if I were to click on it, then you can see that it redoes the step. If I were to press Ctrl Y right here, just like this, then you can see that it goes ahead and redoes all of the steps right here. Well, let's say if I were to go ahead and click, and let's say I don't want to make any changes now, but I forgot where this originally was. In that case, I want to go ahead and then cancel this out as I don't want to make any changes. In that case, I can press escape on my keyboard and then it goes back to the previous state. So let's say for example over here, if I were to click and drag right here just like this, let's say this is not what I want, I can simply press escape, and then without making any changes, you will get back the model as it was. And that is how you can go ahead and utilize the undo, redo, and escape options inside of SketchUp. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.